right. We would like to welcome everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am bringing you greetings here from the Republic of Guinea, West Africa. And I've got a family that I found through DNA testing. For those that maybe follow the videos that I post, years back, about 6 years back, I met my cousin Mohammed Fofana in Dakar, Senegal.
Right.
Yeah?
Yep.
5.5 generations away. Mohammed, do you want to let them know a bit more about your ethnic group? And of course, we're going to introduce your mom in a minute, who also tested as a DNA relative on my father's maternal side. So this is pretty cool. Mohammed, do you want to just kind of introduce your mom and introduce the ethnic group?
Okay. My name is Mohammed Fofana, and I'm Mandinka by tribe. So my origin is from Guinea, Conakry, and our village is Teliko, Mamou, 251 kilometers from the city. So this is my mom. She's my biological mother, and her name is Kuruma. So, okay. She says she's very, very happy to meet you today.
Yes.
Okay. She said you came from all the way from the US to Conakry, and now also you came to visit her also in the village. So she's very happy about that. May God bless you as well.
Yes. God bless.
Okay. She said now you're also one of her son now.
Oh.
She said also here's also your village, so you're welcome. You can come at any time.
I love it. I love it. Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, 1950.
Okay, she's so happy. She's praying that so that we can return safely back to Conakry.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. 1962.
Okay.
So this is a beautiful video. We just want to give you all a snap of the village really, really quickly. A short video. The countryside here is very beautiful. And this land has been in the family for 2 generations. This building here, this residence is about 80 years old. If you could just follow me this way, and we just want to show the people this beautiful village of Teliko in West Africa, Guinea. It took us about 5 hours to get here from the capital city of Conakry. Beautiful building, approximately 80 years old. Beautiful building. But you all, thank you all so much for joining.